Okay. First question: a circle C of unit radius lies in the first quadrant, touching both axes. Radius a circle which touches both axes and cuts the so that the common chord is greatest. Oh, just yesterday we done relate to that matching only. One circle radius is fixed. They want the other circle. That's all. So this is a circle of radius 1. This is a diameter. That can be the maximum possible length of the common chord. The other circle is like this, where the common chord is greatest. It is as good as bisecting the circumference, or you can do it from the figure also. This is C1, this is C2. We wanted to know radius R. So this is, let us say, R. This is 1. This is 1 comma 1. This is R comma. But this is also radius. This is also radius. So C1, C2 should be R itself. No, C1, C2 square plus 1 square should be R square. And C1, C2 itself is R minus 1 whole square plus R minus 1 whole square plus 1 equal to R square, which is R square minus 4R plus 3 equal to 0. R minus 1 into R minus 3 equal to 0. We cannot take 1, we will take 3. All right, just quite similar to the second first mentioned. Somebody can take the two circles equation, subtract, and you get a common chord that should pass through 1 comma 1. You do that also, same answer. Okay, this is fairly simple. Let us do third question now. Okay, this is also very simple. The number of tangents that can be drawn from a particular point to the circle passing through these three. You have to just decide whether the point is inside or on or outside. One comma root 3 minus 1 comma minus root 3. So 1 comma root 3 is here, 1 comma minus root 3 is here, 3 comma root 3 is here. So that is a right angle triangle. 1 comma root 3, 3 comma root 3, and 1 comma minus root 3. I'm sure 3 comma minus root 3 also will lie, and we have some kind of circle. Okay, origin is inside or outside, you have to say carefully. But 5 by 2 comma 1, 2.5 comma 1 is well within the circle because it's within this rectangle. Because 3 is here, 1 is here, 2 is here, 2.5, and y coordinate is 1 much below. It's already inside the circle, so you cannot draw any tangents on it. So what is given is a simple right angle triangle, and from the figure you can easily make out there is a rectangle that is within the circle, the circumcircle of this, and 5 by 2 comma 1 is well within that rectangle, also within the circle, so we cannot draw any tangents. Just from the figure, nothing great.
Sir, it will pass through origin.
Yeah, it will pass through exactly origin. Why is that?
Radius 2 and it is center is 2, 0.
Radius. Yeah. Okay.
Means you told us, sir, origin is inside or outside. Passes through it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's passing the origin, maybe just touching this line, I guess. Okay. No, that's not an important point, but it's apparently passing the origin. Okay. Fifth question is also very simple. Pass through minus 3 comma 2, how many normals? There is only one normal, because in a circle especially, any normal should pass through center. And minus 3 comma 2 is inside somewhere. Okay, minus 3, 2 is somewhere here. Prove that there is only one normal. But the feet of the normals are 2. That is, the normal here also passes through this point. The normal here also passes through this point. So minus 3 comma 2, but this and this. Normal is only 1, but feet of the normals are 2. The point where that line is normal to the curve, that point is called feet of the normal. Okay, so there are 2 such points. So normal only 1, but feet of normal equal to 2. Okay, so this is small questions. Okay, just read 7th question, try to understand. All right. Okay, 7th one, we have a circle of radius 3, 4, 5. They're touching each other externally. And the point of intersection of the tangents at that point of contact, what is the square of the distance? Okay. Okay, 3 circles are there. They're touching each other externally. If you take all their centers and join, and if you draw the tangent here, tangent here, tangent here, the figure may not be that nice. I think that I just, but we all know from this point, length of tangent to all the 3 circles are equal. In fact, that is a radical center. And in this particular case, that radical center is in center of this triangle, because from that point, the perpendicular distance to all the 3 lines of this triangle are equal. So it is basically, this length is nothing but in radius. So what is this radius? 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5. It's like a properties of triangle question. Okay. There's a circle with triangle with sides 7 and 8 and 9. 7, 8, 9 are sides of a triangle. Find in radius. You can use smaller equal to delta by S formula. Okay. Otherwise, to construct, imagine this is 0, 0, this is some 7, 0, find this point and all that. Not required. Just from properties of triangle, it can be done. Does anybody know, anybody remembers at least that if you take in circle of a triangle, where it touches, and this is A, B, C. What is this length? What is this length? In properties of triangle, these two are equal, correct? If I take this side as A, this side as B, this side as small a, small b, small c represent the sides.
A plus B minus C by 2 like that one.
Yeah, something like that. What is this will come finally? This will come S minus B. And these two lengths are S minus C.
Yes.
And these two lengths are S minus C.
Sir.
You can prove that. Sir, Pradeep sir, ever sir, మాట్లాడుతున్నారు?
Sir, Satish sir.
చెప్పండి సార్.
స్మాల్ ప్రాబ్లం సార్, మీకు వచ్చింది నాకు.
ఏమైంది సార్? మిమ్మల్ని హోస్ట్ చేయాలా?
అంటే మీకు హోస్ట్. ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే, చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇది కోహోస్ట్ లో ఉంది, హోస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే.
ఎస్ సార్, అంతే సార్.
ఆప్షన్ రావట్లేదు సార్ మిమ్మల్ని హోస్ట్ చేయడానికి.
ఓకే.
అంటే మీరు మిమ్మల్ని నేను కోహోస్ట్ రిమూవ్ చేయనా, మిమ్మల్ని అప్పుడు చేయనా? అది కూడా అవ్వదేమో.
హోస్ట్ పర్మిషన్ రాలేదా సార్?
మిమ్మల్ని హోస్ట్ చేయడానికి నాకు అక్కడ ఆప్షన్ కనిపించలేదు. మోర్లోకి వెళ్తే ఆస్ టు స్టార్ట్ వీడియో, రీనేమ్, రెండే ఉన్నాయి.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ మైండ్ ఒక్కసారి మెయిన్ సెషన్ లోకి వస్తారా సార్?
నేను మెయిన్ సెషన్ లో రావాలా సార్? ఓకే, అంటే ఎలా రావాలి?
ఆ లీవ్ దగ్గర లీవ్ బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ కొడితే చాలు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, వస్తాను. ఓకే, అదర్స్ జస్ట్ ట్రై దిస్.
मेरे होस्ट सर प्रदीप सर. मैग्ना वीडियो ऑन छे. ओके ओके.
హలో సార్. సార్ సార్ నేను ప్రదీప్ ఫిజిక్స్ చేయాలన్న దాన్ని హోస్ట్ చేశాను. అది ఎవరు సార్? అది
అదే సార్, ప్రదీప్ సరే సార్.
ప్రదీప్ సార్ అన్నా? ఓకే.
సార్ దీనికి కోహోస్ట్ ఇవ్వాలా సార్ మీకు ఇప్పుడు?
అక్కర్లేదు సార్, ఆల్రెడీ డెస్క్టాప్ కోహోస్ట్ లోనే ఉంది. జస్ట్ నాకు బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ లోకి 2 డెస్క్టాప్ ని మొబైల్ పంపిస్తే చాలు.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ సారీ ఫర్ ద డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సార్.
నో ప్రాబ్లం సార్, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
సార్ మీరు డెస్క్టాప్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే వెళ్తారు సార్. బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది సార్. సతీష్ సార్.
సార్ సతీష్ డెస్క్టాప్ ని కూడా కొద్దిగా ప్రెసెంట్ చేయాలి.
సార్ మీరు ఆల్రెడీ అసైన్ లోనే ఉన్నారు సార్. మీరు బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే వెళ్తారు సార్.
సతీష్ డెస్క్టాప్ కూడా సార్?
రెండు అసైన్ లోనే ఉన్నాయి సార్. ASB లోనే ఉన్నాయి.
రెండు సతీష్ డెస్క్టాప్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ అక్కడ.
కింద బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ ఆప్షన్ రాలేదా సార్?
రాలేదు సార్. లేదు సార్, నేను మీటింగ్ లో ఉన్నా, అదే మెయిన్ సెషన్ లో ఉన్నాను. సతీష్ డెస్క్టాప్, సతీష్ మొబైల్, సతీష్ డెస్క్టాప్ రెండు ఉంటాయి సార్. రెండు అసైన్
సార్. రెండు అసైన్ చేశాను సార్. మీరు ASB లోనే ఉన్నారు. బ్రేక్అవుట్ రూమ్ మీకు కనిపించట్లేదా సార్ డెస్క్టాప్ ది?
All right. Can all of you see me and hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for some disturbance in between. So how we have to think about it? How this come? Okay. Without that also we can manage because we know all the sides. Okay. You can use small or equal to delta by s. You'll get inter radius. But why this 2 or s minus a? Imagine you have this circle where this is ABC. Call these two xx. Call these two yy. Call these two zz. What is x plus y? That is C.
C, sir.
And y plus z is small a. And z plus x is small b. And add all of them, we'll get 2 times x plus y plus z is a plus b plus c, which is 2s. Okay. So we'll get x plus y plus z is equal to s. Now from this you subtract this, you will get z as s minus c. You subtract this, you will get x as s minus a, y as s minus b. You can understand that. Okay, now what is the advantage? May not be required. S minus a is 3, s minus b is 4. Like that also you can make out here. So directly you can find smaller equal to delta base and do all that, or understand if this is a, this is b, this is c. S minus a is 3, s minus b is 4, s minus c is 5, and this is the in circle, and I want smaller equal to delta by s, which is root over s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Actually, another s will be there, and this will go inside. I'll get by s. What is s minus a? 3. S minus b 4. S is sum of all these things. 3s minus 2s. S is equal to 12. So by 12. So it is simply root 5. R is root 5 means R square is 5. Okay. Even if somebody doesn't recognize these things, no problem. Take a equal to 9, b equal to 8, c equal to 7, and use smaller equal to delta by s, same answer will come. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we completed 7, you can think about 9. 9 is also quite similar question. Ninth one is quite similar. Please read the question, right? It is there on the screen.
సతీష్ సార్ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చారండి?
Okay, everybody completed seventh question, right? Ninth question. Also similar, their ingredients is given and they want something else. So this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. They are not given, and 3 units is given. So this one, this one. That is 3 units. The in radius. The circle structure is externally the tangent of the point of contact is 3. Okay. So here's an if you call this as both are equal, right? If this call this as A, this as B, and this as C. Okay, again we'll get S minus A equal to R1, S minus B equal to R2, S minus C equal to R3. When I add 3S minus A plus B plus C, is R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is S, because this is 3S minus 2S. S is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. 3, which is in radius, which is delta by S, which is root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S, which is 3 square equal to S minus A is R1, which is R2, and it is R3. S is their sum, R1 plus R2 plus R3. That will be 9. Exactly that only they want. They want ratio of the product by sum of the radius of all these things, that is equal to 9. Ratio of the product of the radius to their sum. So both 7 and 9 are almost same. There R1, R2, R3 given and they wanted in radius, and here in radius is given, they wanted this expression. You can try 11th one, very simple. Okay, I'm going to erase 9th one. Okay, in 11th one, the triangle is a right angle triangle, so it is easier. Otherwise, normally we have to do little lengthy, but first line and second line are perpendicular here. One is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Another one is x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0, which are perpendicular. This is x minus 2y equal to 0. You can solve these two, this point will come. And you put x as 2y, 1 by 3, and 2 by. Here, when you put x as 2y, y is minus 2. X is 2. No, 4, x is minus 4. Yeah. You take them as ends of diameter. So these are the given 3 sides who are perpendicular. So this point is not required to find. Circle with these two as ends of diameter will pass for this also. So we'll have x minus 2 by 3 into x plus 2. And y minus 1 by 3 into y plus 2 equal to 0. We got this point by solving these two, and we got this point by solving these two. If you take these are ends of diameter, the circle will pass through on the right angle through the That's just a matter of simplification. X square plus y square minus 2 by 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 by 3 is 10 by 3. 10 by 3x. And here y term is 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3, 5. And the constant minus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 10 by 3. They want 2 times a plus. They want 2a plus 2b. Where this is 2a, this is 2b. 10 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is 15 by 3, which is 5. Okay, it is to 30. 13 is also not typical, just from the figure we can tell. The circle center is 2 comma 2 and the radius is 3. This is 2 comma 2. This will be 5 comma 6. This will be minus 1 comma 2. This will be 2 comma 5. This will be 2 comma minus 1. Now, where is x equal to 2? A vertical line, that is this line itself. X equal to 5, right here. Y equal to minus 1 and y equal to 5. Y equal to minus 1 is right here. Oh. The 4 lines that they gave are, one is this line, one is gave this line and this. X equal to 2, x equal to 5, y equal to minus 1, y equal to 5. So then there are only 3 points. Okay, this. If they gave somewhere here, at least we can see where they're intersecting, but they gave one diameter, one tangent, and 3 tangents. So only 3 points. One is this, one is this one. That's fine. Okay, 15. Okay, today we have a lot of disturbance in the class. Okay, just try this 15 and 17.
Satish sir.
Okay. Okay, 15th question is indirectly number of common tangents and all that only. Direct or transverse common tangents. Why? You take -2 comma -1 as center and radius 3 units, you draw one circle. Take 2 comma 1 as center and with radius 3 units, you draw one circle. Okay. What is the distance between the -2 comma -1 and 2 comma 1? Root over 16 plus 4 root 20, which is more than 3 anyway. Okay. So, which is more than 6 anyway, or less than 6. Root 20 will be less than 3 plus 6. Okay, but more than. So, they're intersecting there. Okay. So, if you draw the two circles with the centers -2 comma -1 and 2 comma 1 and radius 3 units and 3 units. Any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this should be tangent to this. Any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this tangent to this, then it should be common tangent, and they have only two direct common tangents. No transfers because the distance between the centers is less than r1 plus r. If they were completely separate like this, I would have got two more lines where this distance is also 3, this distance also 3. They don't have to give 3 and 3. In some other question, they can give this is 3 and this is 5. Then you have to take this circle of radius 3, this circle of radius 5, and then try to find direct and transverse common tangents. Same direct common tangent asked in a slightly different way. Is it okay? 15th one? Only 2.
So could you explain once?
Any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this point will be tangent to a circle with this as the center and radius 3 units. Any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this point will be tangent to this circle with this as the center and radius 3 units. So now it all depends on these two circles are intersecting or completely separate, or one is inside the other. Here they are intersecting. So any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this will be tangent to this. Any line which is at a distance of 3 units from this will be tangent to this. And if something should be at a distance of 3 units from this, and this should be tangent to this and this, the common tangent they are asking. How many common tangents are there? Only 2 common tangents here. Is it clear?
So how can you know these two are intersecting, sir?
That is distance between the centers. When I found distance between the centers, I got root 20, which is less than r1 plus r2. C1, C2 is less than r1 plus r2, but more than not r1 plus r2. More than 0 and less than 6, root 20.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying they don't have to give both 3 units, 3 units. They can give some other, okay? 3 in here, 5 here. Then no problem. All right, 15. I'm going to erase.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 17 is again simple. Just find the circle with those two given points as ends of diameter. You'll get a circle, and then you want to intercept on x-axis. Okay. So 8 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 2. Okay, there is a circle. The ends of diameter are, this is 8 comma 3. This is 3 comma minus 2. And this is x-axis. Okay, this is A and this is B. They want to know what is the AV length. I can use 2 root r square minus d square formula where I should, or 2 root g square minus a, I have formula for that, right? Okay. So AB is equal to, so what is the circle now? So these two ends of diameter, x minus 8 into x minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y plus 2 equal to 0. That is x square plus y square. Directly x-axis means I can put y equal to 0. I'll get a quadratic equation, find the two roots and find difference between them. Or x square plus y square minus 11x minus y plus 24 minus 6 plus 18 equal to 0. 2 root g square minus c with root over 2g whole square minus 4. 2g whole square is 11 whole square 121 minus 4 into 18. Whatever it is, 72 if I remove 49. Seven. In fact, if I put y equal to 0, I'll get 18 means roots are 9 and 2. In fact, there are 2 comma 0 and 9 comma 0 are the points of intersection, and the distance between them is 7. Okay. After completing 17, you can read 19th question, right? 19th question is a past tense advanced question. If you read carefully, you can do it. Not very difficult. Just on the figure, it can be done. All right, 17. Okay. The centers of two circles C1, C2, each are into 100 in the distance of 6. Okay. This is 6. This is 1 unit. This side is also 1 unit. But from here to here, it is 6. Okay. Fine. P is the midpoint of the line segment joining C1, C2. P is a circle touching the circles C1 and C2 externally. And the common tangent to C1 and C passing through P is also common tangent to C2 and C. Okay, there is a circle touching these two external. Okay. These two have one common tangent, that is also common tangent of these two. So maybe one is direct and one is transverse. That line should pass through this. If touch this means obviously it will touch here also. And our circle is somewhat like this. think figure 1. First draw one big circle, then draw 4 circles touching such a way that this common tangent passes to the midpoint. Okay, so this is a figure somewhat. This is P, this is C1, this is C2, this is C. C is touching C1 and C2 externally, and the common tangent of C1 and C is also common tangent of C and C. For these two, this is transverse. For these two, this is direct, and it will pass into this midpoint and touching this orthogonal to touch this. Now, by the way, what they want. What is the radius of the circle C when this length and all this? Okay. So we know this radius is 1, and this is 3 units, this is 3 units, this radius is 1. They want radius of this circle. Okay, here touching we used it, here touching we used it, and what else can be there? This angle is 90, I have to use it somewhere, and then I have to find this radius. I know this length. This is 3, this is 1, so this should be root 10. And I can take this angle theta and then just find it. Yeah, this triangle and the big triangle are similar. That is good enough also for us. From this small triangle, what is cos theta? From the small triangle, 1 by 3. From the big triangle, cos theta is 3 by 1 plus 1. That's it. This root 10 is also not required. From this triangle, cos theta, adjacent side is this, hypotenuse is this is 1 by 3. From this big triangle, cos theta, adjacent side is 3, hypotenuse is 1 plus r. 1 plus r equal to 9, so r is equal to 8. Okay, this is a JEE advanced question given numerical integer only. You can see whatever will enter the circles practically we are not using anything as such. Of course, we have to get the figure right, and touching externally means this that much only. But all the coordinate geometry formulas that we studied is not going to play any role. Just simple similar triangles is quite sufficient. Is it okay? 19?
Yes.
Okay. Even 21 is also JEE advanced question. You can try. Anybody else has any doubt for 19th solution?
No.
No doubt. Okay. Nobody still copying 19th solution?
Complete.
Completely. All right, then I'll end class for today. Okay. We'll maybe see tomorrow. So those are want to attend for KVPY class. The other link you can. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank